Hey everybody, this is Craig, Thenaturalmedic, and this week on our 10 Essentials series, we are talking about insulation. Kind of seems a little bit weird maybe this time of year. I'm filming this toward the latter days of August in northern New Mexico, and it has been especially hot. However, a short travel to the north, you'll be in the San Juan Mountains of southwestern Colorado. And the temperatures could be quite a bit different at night, during the day, depending on what elevation you're at and what the weather's doing. But it's always good to be prepared, which is why I'm wearing this hat. This is one thing you should have with you, just in case. It's very lightweight and compact. This actually is from Smart Wool. It is just a thin little beanie, warm hat that you can put on. It's good to have something like that. It's made of merino wool. Smart Wool likes to use. I've got several of these that are similar to this. There are different materials, different weights, sizes, etc. You just need one that you like to carry with you in case the weather gets inclement. Most of the time, I can wear a hat just like this. Provides just what I need, providing protection from the sun rays, keeping those out of my eyes if it's raining. Provides a brim to keep rain out of my eyes, and so forth. It's also breathable in the back here, so extra heat from my head can be released. But it's good to have one or both of those with you on all your trips, no matter what time of year it is. Here in the Four Corners region of New Mexico, Utah, Colorado, Arizona, the weather can be warm, but it can also be very windy, cold, and it can change. It's good to be prepared. You want to have with you, a lot of this stuff of course is seasonal. You want to check the weather of course before you go out. Some things like this, a base layer. So this is just polyester base layer to wear on your legs, underneath your pants, or sometimes if you're wearing shorts you may want to wear it where you can see it coming out of your shorts. That's personal preference. And then top base layer right here. A lot of times I'm just wearing a sun hoodie or a breathable t-shirt. This is cotton. Usually don't wear cotton when I'm hiking. Those layers can provide some extra protection, wicking your perspiration away from your body and providing a little bit of basic warmth because of the transmission of perspiration away from your skin, keeping you a little bit warmer and drier. You can always count on a stray rain shower when you're in the mountains. Not so much down here in the mountains area of New Mexico, Arizona, Colorado, etc. But you never know when a storm could brew up. You're on top of a mountain in Colorado or wherever you happen to be. It's good to have a rain jacket like this. This is just a rain jacket from Frog Togs. Look at that. See? Speak of the devil and it show up here. This is just a cheapie from Frog Togs. It's not a Gore-Tex breathable membrane or anything like that, but it's supposed to be breathable. However, when you wear this, of course, it's going to retain some body heat. If you're feeling chilled due to the temperature change, one thing you can do is put on your rain jacket, and that will help you retain some of that body heat by zipping it up in various levels. You might not zip it all the way up, but just that'll help protect you a little bit from inclement weather and also give you a little additional heat on top of your other layers. I also usually carry the mid layer. This is the Outdoor Vitals Ventus hoodie. Even though it looks pretty thin, I've worn this in temperatures below freezing and been very comfortable. That is a nice thing about it. And it's very small and lightweight. You don't have to have something fancy or expensive. Anyway, it's good to have a layer like this just in case the weather gets a little cooler than you anticipated, so you can protect yourself from the elements. If this video has given you value, make sure to give it a thumbs up so we can get out to other people. Think about subscribing to the channel to see more content, and until next time I'll see you on the trail. Bye.